Listen carefully, my dear friends. Cows don't give milk. Yes, you heard it right. Cows don't give milk. My dear friends, good morning. And I'm going to reveal the secret today that cows don't give us milk. I was going through one of the old documents of my father and I read a small book in which there were small short stories were there. In one story the heading was cows don't give milk. So I was curious to know what this book is all about, what this short story is all about. So I read it through. So ultimately I got to know that really cows don't give milk. We have to milk them. See, my dear, in your life there are so many things available to us, but we have to get them. Not like this that as for millennials of today, you search on Google, you place order on Amazon and pay by your app and get the things. The fact is that the things you are getting are at a price, and the milk you are getting is also milked by somebody at some cost. So if you want to have milk of your own cow, which is there in your yard, you have to get up early in the morning, wash the cow, sit in the mud area where there was lots of stink also there, clean the milking part of the cow and put a bucket under it and milk it with your hands. So that is the process how you get the milk. So in your life also, you need to work on the things which you want to get, and you will get them if you are having the right intentions to get those things. Everything is available in the world, everything. Like I have written my book, The Responsible You. You want to keep your assets intact, you need to work on it. You can't depend on these virtual gadgets. Suppose what happens when you die, the gadget also gets died. Rather, you die in an accident and the gadget gets crushed in that. And nobody knew what your number was, what storage you had in that, and what will be the backup for you. So to understand that how you can save your assets and properties after your death is in this book, The Responsible You. Go get your copy, and then again you have to work on it. You have to put the words in it. You have to write down the things in it. You have to work to keep your assets safe and secure after your death. You need to work on many things before you go to sleep. So this book will be a ready reckoner to you what all you have to do. Go grab the book, because as I can say, cows don't give milk. Your assets are vulnerable after your death, and you don't want to keep your family fighting for your assets. So go read the book. Get the book from Amazon or Flipkart or any other social platform where it is available. It is available on Notion Press also. It's available on Kindle, Kobo, many platforms it's available. So I would like to say, you have to milk the cow. Milk will not come automatically, and you have to save your assets. It will not be saved automatically. So take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.